Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. See, I don't know what they think of the people. Attacking Basta. Fully attack. So, boy, you know me I go talk about you now, people. Let's see the title, see the headline. And Richie Stevenson now. See? And this Singaporean lady, you get me I say ling fing ling fang queng queng who? You get what me I say, people who say she has some part of Chinese and thing. And it's about a video where she expressing a talk about something that Mr. Richie done to our people. And based on the fact where I've watched her long video, people over 20 minutes, almost 30 minutes, and then I watch Richie's video almost 4 minutes, you understand? And when I watch the two video them people, and based on the fact where I read a lot of comments, a lot of reactions, and more than one different people who posted these things, people, you understand? And I've seen where 89% of the people who are commenting under this video is on the lady's side, you know, and they are with the lady, and a lot of them are really bashing Richie Stevens, you know. And it's where it goes back to where Tanya Stevens, they do an interview, the man she explain a talk about an entertainer who do something to her, and where a lot of people them are speculating and say, yo, a Richie Tanya start based on how this lady now from Singapore interpret her thing and talk about her thing, and when them comes to one put the Tanya Stevens thing there, them say it's similar in the same, and them are pre him and that people. So, based on what I see, people, I'm going to be truthful. You understand? Because I don't know, I don't like if people feel like me a pick a side or me the one way with this thing, or, you know, me just buy one side of the story. No, I'm not depend on any levels the people. But what levels me depend on me I go say now? See? Alright, Richie Stevens. Number one, the lady was around for true. Because you talk say some things she said was true and some things she said wasn't true. See? And you say after something went down in Australia while I was on tour with her, basically she do something, people say she's a beatboxer and something. You know what I mean? Even one part she said when he comes up on the first time and him push tongue and done chew. I don't know what I mean? But me I said, why? I don't know. I don't know. So me I said, Richie, Zane, you say some things where you say some part you say true, some part wrong. Zane? And I know me you talk the full still. How you do meet her or be friends with her, you know, talk them thing there. See, your uncle basically talk about what happened, and you like you say, you know, oh, when things like this happen, you don't know how to get yourself out of these things. See? So, you're going to be truthful, people. Tell me no one pick a side because, yo, I'm not trying to spoil a man's career and them thing there. You see me? But, what me ask the people, honestly, the way Richie do that thing there, that edited video, something there, I don't rate that video there. See? For somebody accusing you and telling lie on your name, I don't think that video there is the response there wasn't something where me can work with. You see me I say, being a judge, me would work with that Richie. Me I tell you the truth, which me know y'all like a woman who lie and something, but the lady video is something more to believe. Honestly, her one is something more because me and that fact where I say if she see where she put up a curtain behind her or something, which honestly, come on, maybe in her background wasn't so good, you know, because basically she has a YouTube channel, she has started her thing basically, and she just come express herself about something that happened. So in the fact is something did happen for true, because remember your talk say you do contacted your lawyer, which is Christopher Townsend and thing, and him tell her what to do, and you say the Australian judge them whatever, them fling out that and done with that because them basically find out say, you know what I mean, court, police and thing don't find out say yo it was a makeup thing and nothing, right? But what me I say people on a real level, we know Australian law is really strict, especially when they come on to crime. Yeah, because I've seen it, people. I mean, I got a race caliber. Because we see where people are, some people say, especially with a black man. It could have been black, white, pink, yellow. Them law really strict when they come on to female and abuse and sexuality and them things. They no joke about it. So on a level, as me as a people, I know something heavy that happened to him. But me don't know what went down and how them bypassed or something. But the lady is saying, something do happen, people, and the way how she expresses herself in almost 30 minutes, people, she attack, she cry, and illustrate herself, people. Even if you don't go 100% like how she's saying it or explaining it, people, there is something there when me think say, Richie make a move. But me say me not try bring down the man, no, people. This is vlogging, me not try bring down the man or say nothing, people. But things can happen weird. We don't know the thing about female. Maybe at the moment, she was into it. She did want something. This is 2019, them say. No long ago, people just around this. 2019, the far, you know. 2020, 2019, just done this. So, and like say, whole heap of years ago, people. When man a big man see him, we are woman, a big woman see him, we wish she don't hold. You understand? She's not a whole girl. You see me? But, as I say, people, if you look into the whole thing, people, something went down, yes, for true. Which Richie never come forward in his video and disclose what really went down. If you notice, people, listen, he never disclosed what fully went down, and he expects say, see, him what fully went down. Because, alright, me is a Jamaican, Richie a Jamaican, me now bring them, want to say this over or people get at them head. But as a blogger, we have to be truthful when they come out to these things, you understand? I mean, I pick side for about that people. I know some people are going to look on it and say, yo, yeah, sell out, this to that. No, not with sell out, but just being truthful and realistic. And that's what means. And me are the attacking boss now. Alright, people. If you look into R. Kelly thing, right? And when these accused they come and they say certain things, he denied it. And people who know him personally denied it. His close friends denied it. Don't it? But in the end, when they come to man, they wrap up things. He was found guilty. Don't it? You being a celebrity, me being a celebrity, right? I'm a celebrity. You're a celebrity. You're an entertainer, I'm a blogger. Basically, right? Okay. And something happened where somebody accused me of certain things, which passed and gone 2 years ago. And me know once me go come forward, no, it can't be no. If she decide to press charge, and once me go come forward and say, yo, something did that me, yes, and I'm sorry. She can't done my career, that's my career can't done this right away. Everything finished me. My family jeopardized, everything, my life, everything when I work how much years and bill can't jeopardize. So me can't come forward and say, it goes so. Me have to come forward and say, yo, I lie. It never goes so. Zine? But as I say, people, on the female side, she cannot tell lie as well, because a man can't be found guilty. You understand? As well as proving guilty until he's found guilty, right? So it's where the police over there, they're saying, yo, they never have no evidence and then show that and that. So that's so up to now, Richie have to remain not guilty. You understand? He has to remain not guilty because the police them over there who was doing their investigation, them basically said them that one way. But now this girl is coming forward now, bringing back these things, you know, because of what him not know or whatever people. But all I can say is people, on a real level, a lot of entertainers do these things, you know, them do a lot of these things, and I wonder if them not think if they not sense. And that's why when I hear some people that come forward and expose some entertainers and say, yo, they man do some crazy things and they on tour, I sniff all the white thing, and I do this and I do that, you can't believe. And reality people, the man then do some things out there on tour, wally part slackness and thinness them do. See? So when I say somebody come now, people, and they will say certain things, we have to do understand that we can't look on things one way. And when I say the female then come and them defend her, you have to understand who feels it, knows it. See? So if something do happen to her, people, and she break down, she cry, she know what happened to her, she feel it, and she express herself, and we have to understand. See? Richie come forward, do something over 3 minutes, defending himself, but as I tell people, based on when me watch it in people, that not ready yet. See, that's not, me not say that the video that we when me that really used and say, yo, I lie, she tell, you know? Because him not explain from the root and the depths, him need to tell the story. Explain the story, what went down, how did we get in contact, how this happened, where we travel to, where we work along to, what was the purpose of we being. She said, Una wasn't in a hotel, Una was in an Airbnb, what was the reason there, Una was in separate room and such happened. You get what I'm saying, people? Things do happen. See? But as I said, people, this was in 2019. It wasn't a long age ago when them that's a Richie, that young boy, and they never had a think. 2019, Richie was a big man. So what really went down, what really happened? Richie, I don't bring her down. I don't want a career flop. Respect you as a Jamaican entertainer who do a lot of good. But yo, if there is something went on or something went wrong, there is the Almighty who will forgive us once when we ask for forgiveness, you know. But who feels it, knows it. If she's telling lie on you, there is the Almighty, and He will seize, and He will knows that she's a liar, and she's trying to tear down her career path, and she wrong. See? But in any ways, Richie, if you do it, I attack for you. And you female Miss String Wing who? If you are telling a lie, it's attack for you. So anyone who want to fit in that region there, you know get the attack. All me can say. But people, there's a lot of hidden truth, and this is my part. So from now, this is the attacking boss. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe. Remember to please follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK production attacking boss. On Twitter, NEWLINK production. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend and your other friends about NEWLINK production channel. The attacking boss, top blogger, #1 blogger. Remember people, share the video them. Subscribe, make the people subscribe, because we said 200 for this year 2021. You are getting the attacking boss here. I know you're doing it, people. Thank you all so much. 200 with the people. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Peace out. Love you.